If Slack notifications aren't working, you might miss important messages, mentions, or updates from your team. Yeah, this usually happens because of notification settings, device permissions, or app configuration issues. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually restore Slack notifications. First, check your notification settings inside Slack. If notifications are muted or set to mentions only, you might not receive alerts for new messages. Next, make sure your computer or phone allows Slack to send notifications. If system notifications are disabled, Slack alerts won't appear even if they're enabled in the app. Another common reason is Do Not Disturb mode. If this feature is enabled in Slack or on your device, notifications may be temporarily silenced. Yeah, this might sound simple, but restarting the Slack app can fix temporary glitches that block notifications. Running an outdated version of Slack can also cause notification problems. Installing the latest update often fixes bugs related to alerts. If notifications still aren't working, try reinstalling Slack. A fresh installation can fix corrupted settings or files that may be affecting alerts. And that's it. One of these fixes usually restores Slack notifications so you won't miss important messages. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials